Welcome to the demonstration video. Before we dive into the demonstration of our NFT-based certificate sharing system, let's take a moment to understand the importance of MetaMask, a digital wallet that connects your web browser to the Ethereum blockchain. MetaMask serves as a secure bridge between your web browser and the Ethereum blockchain. It allows users to securely manage their Ethereum accounts, such as here, store and transfer ETH, the native cryptocurrency of Ethereum network, and interact with the decentralized applications, also known as dApps, something like ours. So MetaMask is a browser extension. You can easily navigate the world of blockchain technology with it and take the full advantage of its capabilities. In our demonstration, we will be using MetaMask to interact with our certificate sharing system and also explore the different accounts and their respective addresses within the MetaMask account. For example, here, student represents one of the accounts. We have 3 more students. For the demo purpose, 2 universities. The university here act as their respective admins and also behave as a university that receives certificates, similar to what happens in the real world. And we also have an employer that can verify and validate the certificates it receives. Now, we will explore the significance of MetaMask and the different roles in the system. Let's begin by understanding the rules for different addresses. The university admin is responsible for creating and issuing certificates. Students, on the other hand, can view their certificate informations in the profile. They have full ownership of their NFT certificates and can share and view them as needed. Student can also make their view NFT, which is a way of making specific certificates from a specific needs. Student also have the ability to revoke access if they transfer the NFT to an employer or any university. The university can verify and authenticate certificates from students, while employer can log in and check the certificates, its details, and validate the authenticity. Now let's dive into the demonstration of our NFT-based certificate sharing system. On the landing page, we have implemented a new way of logging in using the blockchain, specifically signing with Ethereum through the MetaMask wallet. To log into the system, choose your user role. For this demonstration, we have university, student, and employer as mentioned before. Let's select the university role and see what it has to offer. So let's do University of Regina. Click on Connect Wallet. You'll receive a sign-in request from the MetaMask, which you need to confirm. Note that the website domain may raise a security alert due to not having an HTTPS, but for this demo, you can proceed. There you go. Once logged in, you will see the landing page, which displays the university profile. You can create a new profile if you are a new university. Additionally, you will find the student create profile section inside the university profile. Now, these university profiles are not NFT certificates, but profile of students who graduated from the university. To create a similar profile like this, click on Create Student Profile and add all the necessary credentials, especially the student wallet address. In the Collection tab, you can create certificate and issue them to students. The university can add variable number of subjects, provide a degree description right here, and upload the degree completion certificate from the traditional approach. The issued certificate will appear as a tile on the university profile, similar like this. Clicking on a certificate will display all the details provided by the university, something like this. The Receive tab shows the certificate received by the university from other university or students. At the moment, this university right here has not received any certificates from any user. The certificate tab displays the NFT certificate created by the university for specific scenarios. And the profile is the profile of the current logged in user. Now let's log in as a student. So to do that, change the account in MetaMask and select the student role. The landing page will refresh. Just click on Connect Wallet. Sign in. It's the same approach. In the student profile tab, you can see general information and the role you logged in as. You can also access the blockchain viewer, where you can see all the transactions associated with your address. In the profile tab, you will find the issued certificate from the university. Click on the certificate. It will prompt you to create your first View NFT certificates. When creating the View NFT certificates, the student can filter the subjects that they want to include. It's important to be cautious while filtering, as transcripts are crucial. So the first step to choose the subjects are, you have to select each and every one of them, and then the subjects you want to remove, you have to deselect them. This is just a step to be more cautious, that you are aware of what subjects you are removing, because making an NFT will cost you some ether. The data is stored permanently in a distributed database after you create your NFT, so it can't be changed. So that's why it's important. And the transactions are recorded on the blockchain. You can create your NFT by clicking on the Create Your NFT button. So here we have selected the 3 subjects. Then let's create an NFT for this. Create your NFT button. So it says creating your NFT, the wallet will pop out, and it says, do you want to confirm the transactions? So let's confirm the transactions, and you have to wait for a while because it's hitting the blockchain and doing the transaction. So you can see there's a pending request of my transactions 5 seconds ago. So this is creating your token, which is a non-fungible token or NFT. Oops, successfully listed your NFT, great. So do OK. It'll make you to go to the NFT certificate page where you will see the collections of your certificates. So these are all the certificates that I generated, but this is the recent one. So you can see your certificate that has the 3 subjects that we used, and the other are just filtered out. And if you go and refresh and see your transaction history, you can see 32 seconds ago you just created a token. Great. Now, if the student wants to transfer the NFT to another university or employer or any organizations which are registered in our system, simply open the recent created View NFT certificate file like this from here, and select the organization you want to transfer the certificate. So right here, go to the organization name. You can see that this is the list of organizations that you want to send your NFT to. Okay, so let's do University of Saskatchewan, or maybe an employer. Okay, Amazon. I'm trying to apply for Amazon. So every user is identified by an address. And beside the subjects, for data sharing preferences, you can also give options to select the time period for your NFT to be shared. By default, it's set to 4 months, but you can click any time period you want to set for them to have your NFT, and this will pull it back automatically after the time period ends. So let's put it at default, and let's do the transfer. So remember, we're transferring our NFT with subjects health 1, 2, 3 to the employer Amazon. Just click on transfer. Again, you are creating a transactions on the blockchain. So just confirm, it says transferring. Let's wait for a while. And so we are transferring, or like sending the certificate to the selected organizations. It will take some time. Okay, there you go. Successfully transferred the NFT. Great. Now we will jump to the transfer NFT tab instead of the NFT certificate tab, and you can see we had 5 certificates before. Now it's shrunk to 4 because we transferred viewing rights. And in the transfer NFT, the certificate that we just transferred popped out, and you can see we just sent this transcript to the employer Amazon, and this is the same transcript that we transferred. You can get back your certificate by just clicking on a retrieve certificate button. Let's not retrieve it yet because we will like to see it on the employer side. But if you click on retrieve certificate, the transaction will trigger the wallet, as now we are trying to make changes to the viewing rights again. So if you confirm it, it will get pulled back, and yeah, so let's reject it for now and sign out. Let's log in as employer. So we will change to employer Amazon. Great. Let's do connect wallet. Simple as before. Okay, great. Sign in. Let's confirm. Okay, now in the employer profile section, you can see the certificate right here in the employer NFT tab. Okay, so this is the recent one that you just sent. Great. Okay. Yep. The 3 subjects. Yep, it's right there. The university, all the credentials, issued the certificate, and who it belongs to. And by just clicking the validate these transactions or validate this in this NFT, it says loading, and the validation is happening behind, and it says okay, the certificate is validated and verified using blockchain. Great. Simple as that. That concludes our demonstrations of the NFT certificate sharing system. Feel free to explore the different functionalities and roles in the system. Thank you.